Hi Queens, Ms.Pk here, and I just wanted to show you guys how to cover a client's edges when they are thin or they have no edges. And as you can see, I am just speeding this up for you. You guys have seen this technique before. It's nothing new. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for you. So you guys just sit back and enjoy until we get to the next section, because I'm going to show you what you need to do when you get to the very top of this client's head. Okay, Queens, so when you get to the very top of the scalp, you want to make sure that you double up and triple up the faux locks, those strands. So you want to make that really thick, so that way you are making sure that you have plenty of full coverage in that area. So as the strands fall down, as you can see, it starts to cover the area where there is no hair. So you make sure those top two rows at the very crown of the head, you want to make sure that you double up or triple up those strands, especially if it's a thin faux lock. Now, all the faux lock hair is not thin. It comes thin, medium, and large. Now, of course, if the hair is a medium or a large a thickness of it, you don't want to double up or triple up on that, because you don't need to. You just simply put that hair in. But if it's a thin strand like this, go ahead and double up and triple up, and that's going to give you a really nice look. And Queens, don't forget, you guys can always put on some edge control for the sides just to be a little bit more secure. Go ahead and get you some edge control and put that on your sides. So we're going to go ahead and speed up this process so we can get to the end of this. But you guys see how this is done. Make sure you cover all those cornrows and go ahead and do your spacing as well. I do have a spacing video out there as well, so check that out. And so look at our queen. She is absolutely beautiful. I love this ombre 3-color tone on her hair, and I will have the information regarding this hair in the description box. Absolutely gorgeous.